Hello YouTube viewers and subscribers. I received today KINGKONG LDARC ET series ET100 V2 100mm micro FPV racing drone. So as you can see, it comes packed in a nice plastic carry bag. It's DSM-X version because I have a DSM-X transmitter. So let's check what's in this beautiful box. These are some spare canopies. Gray one. This is drone itself. It's so small, so nice. This is a receiver antenna. This is probably VTX antenna. Camera. Let's see what else is in the box. Box of goodies. Manual. This is the battery. I think it is 2S battery. Some stickers and a lot of spare props. Some bolts. This is battery strap, I think. So actually that's it. I don't see any charger here. Where is it? No, I don't see any charger for now. I'll have to check the manual. But this is standard LiPo battery, so you can use your standard LiPo battery charger for charging this battery. Okay, I will check the manual now and try to bind it to my receiver, transmitter, sorry, and try to fly it. I see a little button here, probably for changing frequency of the VTX. I can't say much right now because I have to check the manual first. Okay, we'll continue later. Okay, I've checked the manual. I had to remove the canopy to be able to bind this DSM-X receiver with my Spectrum radio. Probably if you have Fry Sky or something else, you won't need that. It's very easy. You just unscrew these 3 screws and remove the canopy, press the bind button, power it up. I powered it up via USB and just bind it with your radio, and that's it. Do the calibration. Most of the settings in Betaflight are already set very good, so actually you don't have to do anything. Just bind it and set up throttle range on your radio, and that's it, and it flies really great. I will make a flight video. This is really good micro drone, worth every penny. So next task is flight video.